Hi everyone, I'm Naeemah with Restore Order Professional Organizing, and today I'm going to tell you what you should pack in your hospital bag when you go into labor. A good thing for you to have when you go into labor is a robe, because in the hospital they give you that gorgeous hospital gown, and you might want to walk around to jumpstart your labor, get those contractions going, and you can wear the robe without worrying about a draft from the back. Maxi dresses. You can use a maxi dress as a nightgown, or just you can wear it comfortably. Also, when you're going home from the hospital after you've had your baby, a maxi dress would probably be the most comfortable thing for you to wear, especially if you had a C-section and you have a C-section scar. You don't want to wear pants over that. Comfy socks, a nursing bra, flip-flops, a tablet, your charger. At the hospital that I went to, they provided some toiletries for you. However, if you like your name brands like I like mine, you'll bring your own. Another important thing, chapstick. Sometimes if you're in labor for a long time, your lips can get really dry, especially since the only thing you're allowed to have is ice chips. So you might want to bring a little bit of makeup in case you have guests who want to take pictures of you and your baby after the baby arrives. Not all of us have glam squads like Kim Kardashian, so I suggest to keep it simple. Tinted moisturizer, a little bit of blush, a little bit of lip gloss, mascara, and a little bit of eyeshadow. A headband to tie your hair back during labor and after, or a scarf to tie your hair up. A brush and a comb, of course. If you're nursing the baby, some lanolin. Breast pads, a breast pump to jumpstart your milk production. I know some people say not to pump your breast until about 3 weeks, but my lactation consultant recommended it at the beginning, and it didn't give me an oversupply or anything, so this might help if you're having trouble with latching on. One of the most important things to me, healthy snacks. When I was pregnant with my first child, I was in labor for 27 hours. That's 27 hours without any food. Once I had him just after midnight and the kitchen was closed. So I didn't have any food to eat besides saltine crackers and apple juice. So there's also a few things that you want to bring for your baby. Now, the hospital will provide diapers, wipes, formula if you're choosing the formula feed, pacifiers, unless you want to bring your own brand of pacifier that you want the baby to start using from the beginning. But make sure that you have several changes of clothes for the baby. I recommend bringing 2 outfits in size newborn and 0 to 3 months. And the reason being is because these days we have big babies. My oldest son was pretty big and he couldn't fit into newborn, so we had to put him into 0 to 3 months, whereas my youngest son, he wore newborn clothes. And then also a blanket to cover the baby up with when you leave the hospital. So I recommend using a rolling suitcase like this. It's not too big, and there's just enough space in here for everything that you need. You don't want to overpack. You don't need to bring a whole lot of things. If you happen to go into labor and no one's around and you have to take yourself to the hospital, this would be good, a good thing to have. And make sure you bring your driver's license and your medical card and your cell phone so you can call everybody or update everyone on Facebook when the baby comes. And don't forget your car seat. I'm Naeemah with Restore Order Professional Organizing.